Good day, ma'am. My name is Wilma Fiesta from the Philippines. I'm 43 years old, happily married, and blessed with one daughter. She's now 13 years old. I'm a college graduate, took up elementary education. I have 6 years experience as domestic helper slash nanny in Oman, Muscat, in just one employer. Wherein I serve 7 members of the family, including the couple, down to the teens, and the 5-year-old. During my years there, I was responsible in a wide range duties, ensuring the smooth and running of their household, including comprehensive cleaning such as mopping, sweeping the floor, dusting, managing laundry, ironing clothes, and also car washing. I also prepared delicious and nutritious food. I can cook Arabic, Western, and Chinese cuisine. I can make different kinds of salads, different kinds of soup, and sometimes I do baking. And the most important is to provide attentive and nurturing the child care. My background in education helped me to support learning development effectively, such as proper hygiene, drawing, writing, reading books, uh, playing indoor and outdoor activities in a safe and clean environment. I am known as hardworking, reliable, honest, dedicated, trustworthy, and respectful. I'm now looking forward to bring my skills and experience to the new family, and I'm eager to contribute to your household and to make your daily lives more comfortable and harmonious. Thank you for considering my application.